In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grok on X step by step in 2025. Whether you're looking to maintain your privacy or simply prefer less customization, this guide will walk you through every detail necessary to achieve your goal. To start, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This can be done by typing Google in the address bar or accessing it through your bookmarks. Once you're on the Google homepage, enter X in the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to the term X. As you scroll through the search results, look for the official X website and click on it. This will take you directly to the X homepage. Once you're on the X page, your next step is to locate the horizontal three-dotted line, which you'll find near the mid-lower left part of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the section where you can adjust your privacy settings and other personal preferences. In the Settings and Privacy menu, your next move is to click on Privacy and Safety. Here, you will find settings related to how your information is used and shared. Once inside the Privacy and Safety section, look for the Grok and Third-Party Collaborators option. This is where you have access to various controls related to Grok, which is the feature we're focusing on today. Click on this option to enter its specific settings. In the Grok settings, you'll find a few options that pertain to how Grok interacts with your data. The first thing you want to do is uncheck the box next to Allow your public data as well as your interactions, inputs, and results with Grok and X AI to be used for training and fine-tuning. Doing this will prevent your data from being utilized for further training of their systems. Next, uncheck the box that reads Allow X to personalize your experience with Grok. Disabling this feature will halt any personalization Grok attempts to conduct using your data, thereby maintaining a more standard and less tailored interaction. Lastly, uncheck the option titled Allow Grok to remember your conversation history. By doing so, you stop Grok from saving your past interactions, enhancing your privacy, and ensuring that your data isn't stored for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the settings necessary to turn off Grok on X. Thank you for watching, and if this guide was helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Enjoy your enhanced privacy settings.